Hello YouTube and welcome to this video of my Black Ops 2 pistols and knives only on Search and Destroy. I will be doing this with Connor Hardy and Carl Kurt. Connor. Yeah. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like, and if you haven't done so already, then subscribe, and we'll be back once we get into a game. Sorry about I haven't been uploading recently. It's because I've had loads of exams and we got a week off, so I'm going to be uploading more now. So sorry about that, and we'll be back. Anyway, guys, we're back. We're back to people singing. So yeah. So we're going to be using the Executioner and tactical knife. Just turn down everything. Just like so you can hear Connor and Kyle. Right, let's do this. Got a feeling these might be campers, but I could be wrong. There's one. Is it still double XP? Oh. And there, that's still double XP. Oh yeah. I thought it finished at 5 though. No, no, I just died. No, I didn't. I mean, someone's took me kill. There you go. Well, that was a good round. Try and sort this out. Oh, sorry about this. There you go.
Oh wow. Oh shit. There it is right there. That's fun. Josh, you got his name, in his name.
Yeah.
You on the dragon camera, yeah?
Yeah. You don't have the same camo as my combat knife though, do you?
Combat knife for the dragon.
I have mine is diamond. Because I got it diamond. Because I'm OP. Oh god, someone's there. I'm running back, I'm running back.
Have you got pistols, Josh?
Pardon?
Have you got diamond pistols?
No. That's one thing I don't have. There you go, there's another one. Oops, and we died. Anyway, looks like Kyle's gonna win. Oh no, someone else won the round first.
You're so lost.
I know, you're so off. Stop. I mean, I was just...
Okay then. Let's happen.
I got a gold combat knife and a thingy.
Oh no. Right. Gonna try.
I can't hear you very well.
Oh, sorry. Oh wait, one sec. Is that better? My mic was nowhere near my mouth. Oh.
Ooh, they killed me too. I got shit on.
Oh, you got him, bro.
Yo, she was buying food. What the fuck? Your problem.
Yo, oh my god, fucking
She was
teddy
buying
bear
Hari.
stalking
Or,
me.
or Beck Nikema. Or Nihari or whatever.
Oh my god, I swear this guy doesn't let one of my fucking what do you want, teddy bear?
Alright, now we need to start improving.
Yeah, boys, I'm on the wrong side. Josh, I can't hear you very well.
Alright, sorry. Oh. Right, let me double. Oh, I could have double tapped that for him, but oh. Is that better? Can you hear me better now?
Yeah.
Oh! Help! Dude, that was close. Someone got a piece up. Oh god, they're shooting at me. I'm gonna retreat now. Yep, good idea, by the looks of it. Oh, is dead. Let's go around to this dude that's been causing me trouble. Got him, gonna go in. What? How the hell?
Oh, just sit on, dumbass bitch. I don't feel like buying
How the hell? 4 bullets didn't kill him.
again.
That's BS.
So I get 3 months every time I create a new account. So
Oh my god.
I know. And also, so I created a new account to round over my other account. Then that account got temporarily. That account got temporarily banned offline. That was
I shot you guys.
damn.
You guys.
I shot you. What the
Yeah, right. Anyway, guys, as the game finished, we didn't do that good. As you see, we should have got the kill just then. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.